Many people in the salsa community are using the application Percussion Tutor. But when I ask one thing, if the screen of your phone went black, would you still be able to recognize this rhythm? Or are you just following the app? Many of them say no. And even though this is a great tool to learn rhythms, it wasn't designed to tell you what to dance. So in this video, I'm going to show you what to dance when you see Babalu Aye Part 1. Hola familia afrocubana, if you are new to this channel, I'm Alfredo Garcia, a dance teacher, a mentor, and the author of this book right here. Many of you go to salsa festivals to learn Afro-Cuban dances. You record the instructor's combo, you hear the music that is around, and you are having simply fun. But when you go back home and want to practice, suddenly you open the app and one question hits you. What rhythm is this? And if there is no one around to ask, it can be frustrating. That's exactly why I'm making these videos, to help you recognize the rhythms and to finally connect movements with what you hear. When you open the application Percussion Tutor and you see Babalu Aye Part 1, first of all, we are talking here about an Orisha. In the salsa environment, there is so much misunderstanding that we're not able to connect what we hear with what we dance. Let me give you some context about this rhythm because it's important that you as a dancer are able to recognize what you are dancing. First of all, when you see Babalu Aye Part 1, this is not the name of a toque. Here we are referring to an Orisha, an entity. The real name of this toque is Iyankota. And let me tell you something quickly. Let me tell you about today's sponsors. Me. I created an Afro-Cuban platform where I teach step-by-step Yoruba, Rumba, Arara, Bantu, bailes haitianos, body awareness, rhythm, and the meaning behind movements. Many dancers go to classes, they learn movements, but when it comes to connecting it with the rhythms and know what to do, they still feel lost. That's the reason why I created Afrocuban Online. If you want to go deeper than what I can share here on YouTube, I invite you to check it out. And if you use the code ROOTS, you can get 20% off. Now let's go back to movement.